What's up, guys? Welcome back. I am Michael.
And I'm Mary. Today we're practicing 100 daily use English sentences. Quick question. Why learn full sentences instead of just words?
Simple. When you memorize sentences, you don't stop to think about grammar. You don't translate in your head. The words just flow naturally. That's how you sound like a real English speaker.
Here's the drill. I'll say each sentence twice. First time, listen. Second time, repeat out loud with me. Don't just watch. Speak. Let's go.
Let's start with greetings and small talk. What's up? What's up? How's it going? How's it going? Long time no see. Long time no see. What have you been up to? What have you been up to? Nothing much. Nothing much. Just the usual. Just the usual. I'm running late. I'm running late. I'll be right there. I'll be right there. Take your time. Take your time. Have a good one. Have a good one. You too. You too. See you later. See you later. Catch you tomorrow. Catch you tomorrow. Take care. Take care. Sleep well. Sleep well. Sweet dreams. Sweet dreams. Good to see you. Good to see you. What a surprise. What a surprise. I better get going. I better get going.
Now, it's about home and morning routine. Time to wake up. Time to wake up. Did you sleep okay? Did you sleep okay? I slept like a log. I slept like a log. I need to make the bed. I need to make the bed. I'm going to take a shower. I'm going to take a shower. The water is too cold. The water is too cold. I need coffee first. I need coffee first. What's for breakfast? What's for breakfast? I'm not hungry yet. I'm not hungry yet. Did you feed the dog? Did you feed the dog? Don't forget your keys. Don't forget your keys. Lock the door. Lock the door. The trash needs to go out. The trash needs to go out. It's messy in here. It's messy in here. Can you do the dishes? Can you do the dishes? I'll do it later. I'll do it later. The remote is missing. The remote is missing. Turn off the lights. Turn off the lights. Close the window. Close the window. It's getting dark outside. It's getting dark outside.
Now it's time for learning the work and errands phrases. I have a deadline. I have a deadline. Can you send me that file? Can you send me that file? Let's take a quick break. Let's take a quick break. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm stuck in traffic. I'm stuck in traffic. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. I'll call you back. I'll call you back. Check your email. Check your email. I need to print this out. I need to print this out. The meeting ran long. The meeting ran long. Let's wrap this up. Let's wrap this up. I'm heading out. I'm heading out. I need to grab some groceries. I need to grab some groceries. I'm just browsing. I'm just browsing. How much is this? How much is this? I'll pay by card. I'll pay by card. Do you need a bag? Do you need a bag? Keep the change. Keep the change. Have a good day. Have a good day.
Now, it's about food and eating. I'm starving. I'm starving. I could eat a horse. I could eat a horse. What sounds good to you? What sounds good to you? I'm in the mood for pizza. I'm in the mood for pizza. Let's order in. Let's order in. It's on me. It's on me. Let's split the bill. Let's split the bill. Dig in. Dig in. This is delicious. This is delicious. I'm full. I'm full. I couldn't eat another bite. I couldn't eat another bite. It's too salty. It's too salty. It needs more spice. It needs more spice. I'm just picking at it. I'm just picking at it. Save room for dessert. Save room for dessert. I'll have the same. I'll have the same. Can I get a refill? Can I get a refill? Can you pass the salt? Can you pass the salt? Cheers. Cheers. What's the damage? What's the damage?
Next, it's about feelings and reactions. I'm wide awake. I'm wide awake. I'm bored out of my mind. I'm bored out of my mind. I'm so pumped. I'm so pumped. That's hilarious. That's hilarious. No way. No way. You're kidding. You're kidding. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. That's a bummer. That's a bummer. Don't sweat it. Don't sweat it. It is what it is. It is what it is. Better luck next time. Better luck next time. You made my day. You made my day. I'm so over this. I'm so over this. I'm not in the mood. I'm not in the mood. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Mind your own business. Mind your own business. Whatever. Whatever. I don't care. I don't care. Fair enough. Fair enough.
At last there's some daily conversation and slang. What's the plan? What's the plan? I'm just chilling. I'm just chilling. Let's hang out. Let's hang out. I'll pass. I'll pass. Count me in. Count me in. It's not my thing. It's not my thing. Suit yourself. Suit yourself. Get out of here. Get out of here. That's sick. That's sick. That's dope. That's dope. For real. For real. My bad. My bad. No worries. No worries. I owe you one. I owe you one. Don't mention it. Don't mention it. Spit it out. Spit it out. Make up your mind. Make up your mind. I have no clue. I have no clue. Let's call it a day. Let's call it a day.
That's it for today. You practiced. You improved. Now go use these sentences in real life. Like. Subscribe to our channel to get more interesting contents once they are uploaded. And I'll see you in the next lesson.